Dr. Gregory Johnson. We have Alyssa here with us this afternoon, and Alyssa's coming here from where? What part of Houston?
Katy.
Katy. We have a lot of patients that come here from Katy. So what I'm going to ask you to do is to close your eyes and bend your head forward and backwards for me, Alyssa. And then neutral. Okay, now you can see her head is forward and it's also translated off and tilted off to the right. That's what's making her left shoulder appear higher. It's not actually higher, it just appears that way because of her neck. And then her pelvis has shifted to the left of center down here. Now Alyssa comes in here with low back pain that shoots all the way around to the front of her hip. So I'm going to have you lay on your tummy for me again. This is her very first adjustment here. Now she's been treated at another chiropractor's office for 3 months and it didn't help. So this is her very first treatment here, and I just placed a non-money bet with her that she would feel better her first visit here than she did all those visits at the other chiropractor. And see, her right leg was short and got even when I brought it up, so that's a positive Knockles and Deerfield on the right. Her pelvis is out right here, and that's what shoots around to her right hip up front, right? Mm-hmm. And then her low back's out right here at L5, L4, L3. These are all slipped backwards, retrolisthesis. So I'm going to start off by adjusting her pelvis first. Her right sacroiliac joint. I bet you they put you on your side and twisted you, didn't they?
Yeah.
Yep. Alright. See, the best chiropractor in Katy is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson. Alright. Which Katy's a part of Houston, suburb, just like Tomball and Spring and Pearland, which are the previous patients just in on. There we go. Okay, now I want you to just keep breathing normal. Okay. Yes, ma'am. Crack addicts are gonna love you. There we go. Yep, good job. Felt all those move, didn't you? Okay, look at her leg length now. It's exactly even. And I bet you this already feels easier than the last time. Feel your head popping up a little bit on this one. C3-4, C5-6, and then I'm adjusting her T1 to bring her whole head and neck back up over her spine. Let's turn you on your back now. So far, so good. Still got all your body parts. There we go. Bringing her head up and back over her spine because her head was way forward. So let's slide down this way just a little bit. And I'm going to have you put your arms out to the sides. Palms up. Yep. I'm going to adjust your shoulders now. Your clavicles right where they attach to your sternum here. And then your anterior ribs where they attach to your sternum. It's called the costosternal joints. I thought Hart was a band. That tells you how old I am. Hart was a group when I was growing up. Now, you should have felt that in your knee all the way up into your hip, did you? Mm-hmm. Keep breathing. Nope, I got another one here. Let this go. There, better. Okay, let's set you up, face over there towards your mom. Okay, just let your arm relax here. Well, you're definitely going to need adjustment carrying around those big old purses. Man. You don't carry that around, do you?
I actually don't.
Good. Okay. So you saw us on YouTube? Mm-hmm. Is that how you found us?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's how a lot of people find us. How long did you watch before you decided to come here?
A month.
A month?
Uh-huh.
And you live here. Okay. Let's go ahead and lay on your back here. You're gonna get your first ring dinger. Alright, girl. Slide up this way just a little bit. Perfect. I'm gonna pin her in here. Slide up a little bit more where your hip's right underneath that pin. Perfect. Just gonna feel tight. Okay. Just let your legs relax and bend. Now, I'm just going to traction your spine out. So, you just want to keep your teeth together and breathe through your nose. Let your legs bend and relax. There you go. That's it. Let me lift your head up so I can get your hair out of the way. Okay. Alright, keep your teeth together. Take a breath through your nose. Let all your out and relax. Oh yeah. You should have felt that all the way down. That's why we call it ring dinger. Oops.
Oh. I didn't feel that.
You did. I'm glad. Okay, keep breathing. I want you just to lay there. I'm going to do a Palmer diversified rotary break on your neck here now. That don't mean I won't break your neck. That's just the name of the technique. There we go. Yep, crack eggs are gonna love you. Okay, let's come over here in front of the mirror now. Alright. Now, I'm gonna have you close your eyes again and bend your head forward and backwards again, please. And then back to normal. Take a look in the mirror now compared to when you walked in the door. See how our head's up and back more? Okay, pull these shoulders up and back. This is your homework. Flare these guys back like this. See how it tightens all that up? And then you want to bring that head straight back. Yours is a little bit to the right, so we're going to go left and then look all the way up at the ceiling. Try to look at the wall behind you. You'll feel a little tap right there. Another one right there. Now relax. And flex your head forward and backwards again. Then back to neutral. Take a look now. Straight as an arrow. You see the difference in her posture? Do you feel like you're standing up taller?
Mm-hmm.
How do you feel right now compared to when you walked in the door?
Adjusted.
Yeah. Do you feel better than you did with all those other chiropractic adjustments?
Yeah, definitely.
In one visit?
It's a definitely different feeling.
Yep.
Experience.
So what would you tell other people that are sitting around the house watching us on YouTube versus getting in here and getting it done in person? Get off your butt and get in here?
It's definitely worth it.
Yeah, it is. All right, well, thank you for sharing your story with everybody. This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas, home of Super Bowl 51. We'll see y'all soon.